You know, you can't trust the search engine. You can't trust dictionary. You can't trust dictionary. You cannot trust dictionary. Like the Oxford Dictionary is considered the principal and historical authority on English language. Right, this proceeds back to antiquity. Right, but a dictionary is not an authority on words. It publishes words based on the prescriptive. It does not publish the prescriptive aspect of meaning. It publishes the descriptive aspect of it. Basically, the sociological and cultural and community interpretation of a word. Collective meaning determines the semantics of a word. So a dictionary is not really an authority on words. You have to understand it's like a benchmark. It's kind of like a prototype of words to give us a sense. Right? To give us a sense of what words mean. To give us a sense of what words mean. But not what word means in and of itself. Because if you look in the dictionary, Oxford Dictionary primarily, because that's a principle and historical authority on language. Right? I don't know if I can hold my phone this. Right? Synchronicity and coincidences have exact synonymous meaning.